Hello everyone, here we are with Blender 3.5 and a brand new installation, so let's go ahead and get started. So on this splash screen we just want to set our spacebar to search, set our theme to deep gray, and we can click next. I'm also going to Control I and just delete these two elements and select just my cube, and we'll press F4 and bring up our preferences, go to add-ons, and let's begin installing. So first we'll install HardOps, and we'll go ahead and enable that, and then we'll install Boxcutter. And after enabling that, we can click on the X on the search string and expand HardOps, and we want to go down to Operator UI options and just enable Boxcutter notification. We want to save our preferences, click the X. We'll Alt-W start Boxcutter, and I'll take this time to save my startup scene since this is how I want it to be. From now on, whenever I open Blender, I'll be right here ready to cut boxes. So we'll just draw a box, press B to bevel, press T to solidify, and just mess around for a moment. Alt-X, test out the mirror, switch back over to box, draw a box, press W to draw a wedge, but we want to check the option for perfect wedge so that whenever we use it and we press spacebar, it drops us down into a perfect wedge. Now let us go under Mesh Tools in our Q menu, and we'll alt-click on Twist 360, or actually we want to alt-click on Dice, which will do a smart apply on the way in, and then if we press T we can exit to twist, and if we click we are now twisting after our dice. So let us press Alt V, look at the wireframe, and from here we are good to go.